Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SystemeIO to create membership sites and sell online courses. Now, selling online courses is actually really profitable, but it used to be a difficult process. You'd have to struggle with WordPress plugins and try to connect your content. But now, tools like Stripe and PayPal have made it so much easier. So to do this, all you need to do is go to Products and Sales and then simply click on Courses. As you can see, I haven't got a course here yet, so let's go ahead and create one together. Add a new course. I'm going to call this one the Real Estate course, and you can add a whole bunch of details here, including the description, changing the domain, changing the theme, and any of the font that you'd like. But for now, let's leave these default settings here. Click on Save. As you can see, this page is empty, but that's because I haven't added any modules. We have no curriculum set up yet, so let's add a module together. I'm going to call this one Module 1, click on Save, and there you go. First module created, as easy as that. Now you can go ahead and add lectures to each of these modules. Type in the name of this one. Let's call this Chapter 1, The Foundations. Now you can choose to delay this content. So for example, release a different lecture after 7 days. And then there are 2-page templates to choose from. I'm going to select this one and click on Save. And there you go. Our first lecture has been created. Now, the first thing I like to do with these pages is actually move the heading up to the top. Lecture 1, How I Became a Millionaire. Here you can add your videos. It's very easy. Now, it's also a really good idea to make sure that your content is super catered to your audience. So here, right under the video, you can add a list of resources. And then if you'd like, you can choose to include them in a bulleted list. And there we go. The cool thing about this is our drag and drop editor makes it super easy. You can go ahead and change the text color, the icon color. You can change the icons themselves if that's what you choose. See, look, here we go. I'm going to make my icons orange. And then here you can add all of the resources your students will need. Select Save Changes and then exit. And there's your first lecture ready to go. Now, a super easy feature here is that you can duplicate this lecture, which means that instead of going ahead and setting up a whole second lecture, you can merely use this one. So let's go ahead and edit on the inside. So this one, instead of being lecture 1, it's going to be lecture 2, How I Became a Millionaire. This one can be How You Can Become a Millionaire. You can become a millionaire. There we go. And then you can obviously change the video you've included and change the resources. Simply click on Save. And there we go. Now let us edit the name of this one. So instead of saying Chapter 1, it'll be Chapter 2. We'll call it The Next Step. And we can remove that thing that says copy there. And there you have it. Your second lecture has been created. How easy is that? You can choose to drip this content here, or what you can do is on the payment page itself. So when you connect this to your sales funnel, you can give 2 options, one for the whole course all in one, and one for dripped content. And that means anyone who opts for the dripped content will have the content dripped after 7 days. And anyone who opts for the full course will have access to all of the lectures. It's really that easy, guys. Let's go ahead and add another module. So we're going to call this one Module 2. Click on Save. And there we go. Module 2 is ready. Now, just like I copied that earlier lecture, I'm going to copy it again. I'm going to open Module 2. I'm going to just drag that copy there, which means that I can change this to an entirely different name to make sure that it all fits and flows. It's really that simple, guys. You can add as many modules as you like, as many chapters, so as many lectures as you like. It really is up to you. In just a few clicks, we have literally created your online course. It's that simple. So to sell access to these lectures, you go to your payment page, you add it as a resource with access to this membership site, and you can decide if it's dripped or full. And you can actually give people free access as well. That's how awesome SystemeIO is. And that's it, guys, for online courses. Remember, if you need help, you can always go to our Facebook group. Ask your question there. Our community is full of super helpful people. They'll be thrilled to assist you. You can also ask directly. Go ahead and contact our support team via this chat space in the corner. Good luck, take care, and here's to your success, guys.